Hi there, are you looking to change your Etsy shop name? If that's the case, you are in the right place. In today's brief video, I'm going to be showing you how to change your shop name, so make sure that you watch this video all the way till the end. Now, if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, consider subscribing. I do upload weekly videos to help you build an impactful online business. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you are the first one notified of any new videos that I upload. So let's head over to my computer to get started. All right, so here we are on my computer. And if you're looking to change your shop name, all you have to do is the following steps. So you want to make sure that you are logged in into the actual account in case you have multiple stores, the one that you want to go ahead and change your Etsy shop name. Once you're logged in, all you're going to do is you're going to click on Shop Manager. From here, you're going to go to Settings. From here, you're going to click on Info and Appearances, and it's going to take you to this window. Go to the tab that says Shop Policies. And from there, you're going to be able to go ahead and change it. So you put in the new name here and you go ahead and save it. Now keep in mind, the new name shouldn't be longer than 20 characters. And one tip that I have for you is that you could actually, because you're not allowed any punctuations or any spaces, what you could do is make sure that you capitalize letters in your shop name to distinguish separate words. So for me, my store name is Nancy Marketing Tools, so I capitalize N, M, and T. So make sure that you do that. That way, when people read it, it's easier for them to read it since there's no space in between. You will be able to change your shop name as many times as you like before you actually open your store. But once your store is like open and live, right? Once you already have activated your store, added a listing or many listings to your store, you can only change your name up to 5 times. So keep that in mind. And if you do, if you try to do a search for a specific name and it doesn't show up on the feed, it doesn't mean that it's available. It could be that that name is attached to a Etsy store that is at the moment closed down. Unfortunately, those type of names you can't get even though the store is closed down. And if you, for whatever reason, hold intellectual property rights for a specific name, but another store has it, you could reach out to that store and see if they could work something out with you. Etsy does allow you to do that, but it's not guaranteed that they will go ahead and say, oh yeah, you could have, this name. So just keep that in mind as well. But this is how simple it is to change your Etsy shop name. If you have any questions about this brief tutorial, let me know in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. And thank you again for watching this quick tutorial.